As philosopher Peter Forrest.
I think there's only one sort of answer to that, and it's a bit of a cheat. That why is there something rather than nothing? Because there's something that's necessary, and then there is some explanation as to how you get the things that aren't necessary from the thing that is necessary. Necessary because in order to really understand why there is something rather than nothing, it would have to be necessary in the sense of being incomprehensible that it could have been otherwise. The two rival explanations is going to be the naturalistic idea that we just have these necessary laws that bring everything into existence on the one hand, or that we have God who as an agent brings things into existence, but neither of these are necessary in the sense required to understand why there is something rather than nothing. So it's a bit of a fudge. What we can say is there are certain things that are necessary in some slightly different sense, and both God or the laws of nature could be candidates for those.
How so?
Well, I'll try to explain in the case of God. If there are abstract objects, including possible universes, ways the universe might be, then these things themselves are necessary beings. So these possibilities, including, as it were, blueprints for all possible universes. Now, the thing is this, that these kind of blueprints are necessary beings. Our universe isn't a necessary being, but the possibility of a universe like ours is a necessary being.
Because we cannot imagine in any possible way that such a possibility doesn't exist. The actuality doesn't have to exist, but the possibility has to exist.
That's the idea. Okay. Now, the possibilities by themselves won't explain why there is anything actual. But what a theist will do is to say, well, you don't need much in addition to these possibilities. All you require is some act, a choice among possibilities. Now that choice is contingent. So the ultimate explanation for things is the range of pre-existing necessary possibilities and this one simple act, the choice. So although we haven't explained why there's something rather than nothing, we've explained why there are things in terms of one